You've surely noticed three major construction projects in the Uptown area. These projects are part of our Sedona in Motion plan, designed to improve traffic flow, support public transit, improve pedestrian mobility, and improve safety. In this three-part video series, we are going to dive into these projects, giving you some accomplishments, project goals, and our anticipated completion dates. This is the Forest Road connector. It starts in Uptown Sedona at Forest Road and will extend down to 89A near Cooks Hill. It includes blasting to incorporate the two-lane road and a shared use path, and completion is expected this time in 2025. The goal of this project is to alleviate traffic congestion in Uptown and provide a different route for residents in the area down to 89A. With this Forest Road extension, there are other projects intended to help alleviate the traffic issues, including the parking garage in Uptown, potential roundabout at this intersection of Forest and 89A, a transit hub closer to Ranger Road, and also an additional roundabout at Brewer and Ranger Road. The intent of these projects is to improve traffic flow, relieve congestion, and to improve commute for residents in the area.